There's a certain frequency that subs are really hot.
Got a PBoyz 16K, PBoyz 2000 my 4, just for standby for doors later. 2 of those, run that one on, and a trunk wall that's not sealed off yet, so we got to do a little more work to it.
Okay.
Help me out.
What vehicle is this?
2012 Dodge Charger.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
There you go, right there.
Oh wow, that's a different kind of subwoofer cone. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber, 5-inch voice coils. We rated 3,500 watts RMS, but really it's 5K.
5-inch voice coil? Wow.
Yes. Yep.
Have you clamped the power out of these on this system yet?
Not yet. We just threw it together about like 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Nice.
Still a little work in progress.
Yeah.
Yep, we got 370 volts, in-long 40 amp hour. Gotta upgrade that later.
Where's the battery at?
It's under the panel in the room.
Okay.
Yeah, so you got 370 right there. Right now we're charging around 14.4. We gotta get charged on 15 area.
Yeah. Can these, how high the voltage can these amplifiers handle up to?
Let's see, in my other vehicle I had a Trailblazer. It was playing around 15.9 and occasionally bumping around 16.
Okay.
So yeah, 60 volts is max.
Did you build this in the vehicle or slide in?
Slide it.
Nice. Okay. Really optimize your space.
Definitely did.
Do you know how big your box is?
Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, it's 3.6 per sub.
Okay, so a little over 7 cubes net. Nice. Is that on the small or big end, you think?
Small end.
Okay.
Small end.
And this is at what, 1 ohm? Okay.
Yep, 1 ohm.
All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to demo. Is it louder with the trunk open or closed? Okay. So you keep the trunk open?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it is hot already.
Yep. So open the door all the way.
Door all the way open?
Yep.
It's louder? Okay.
Yeah.
The way it loads? Nice. Nice. So what is your name, man?
Dante page.
Dante, okay.
PBoyz cardio.
Okay.
Yeah. So you look and see what we get.
I put your new 4G's on. I got to the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out. I keep 100 racks inside my dick. I remember beating up. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now I niggas killing them all cause I'm on me. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was doing dumb things, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'ma sip. I run the wrestle with my queen, they London and nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget that. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hide inside of the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I got served. I'm gon' running me some peas that they getting hurt back. We came up on dirty money, I give it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I get my bitches. Easy you for the young gang. Gotta do all the bitches that I can see. And I'm a nigga now. I'm putting new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas killing them all cause I'm on me. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke down, bitch, these niggas salty. I been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, tatted, whoa, whoa. The bitch to my toes, twins will fuck her boat. I put her in AP, water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas think? I knew he turned him back on me, this is piece of wreck. I see him swerve back. Heating them all.
Got me dreaming. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas, that's a call cause I'm ballin'. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, niggas salty.
There's a certain frequency that subs are really hitting.
It seems like more with a higher note.
So my 6x9 sound like that.
Okay.
This is really tearing apart too. I'm sure you haven't broken that yet.
Not yet. It's getting there.
Man, that was wild. Yeah. What's that frequency that's really loud? Like where it rolls into, it's probably like a 36, 34
Yeah, it
range.
is. That was a rebase. Let me see what it was.
That was wild.
It was 32, 35, 38. I think that was 38.
That
Like
38, yeah. The 38's really hitting. Awesome, man. I appreciate the demo.
That's mine.
Nice to meet you. You too, man.
Yeah.